I'm 18 years old and I'm a student, so I don't really know how I just afforded it. I don't know how I just afforded. I don't know how I just had the money to get the food that I just got. But I just got food. I got like a bit. I don't know. Because I love garlic bread. Let's start. So pretty much I thought what better way to start my YouTube channel than with a mukbang, because I mean that's what sort of is like why I'm doing this, because I love food but I'm also trying to lose weight, so don't know how this is going to work. We're just going to hope and pray for the best. This garlic bread doesn't wrap very well. Okay, but it's like steaming hot and I love. Who doesn't love a good garlic bread? So pretty much, I doubt that this video is gonna get many views. Oh god, that's my one. By the way, like multiple of those photos don't even have people in them, and multiple of those photos are of the same people. I don't have that many important people in my, well I do. Like, heaps of people are important to me. I got chicken fingers. They're quite spicy though, and I can't really do spicy food, so that's kind of funny, because like I'm actually the biggest wimp ever when it comes to spice. Like I actually start sweating, and it's really hard because my flatmates are like real into their spices and they always call me out on it. They're like, oh, you're such a weak link, and I'm like, I know, but I hate the ranch dressing. I don't know why I even just tried that, because I know that it's disgusting. I got thick shake. These are the best, honestly. So freaking good. Oh, some mama chicha. I don't know if you can like see this. Oh, I don't want it to fall. Yeah, my love. This is a chicken. Well, it's just called a supreme. I don't think it's called chicken supreme. But I got it with apricot and mayonnaise fill. And I took off onion and spring onions because I hate onion. That's so good. I was gonna add bacon to it, but nah. I don't need it. It's got pineapple on it, and I love pineapple. This is good pizza. I got two types. I got barbecue. No, wait, what is it? Chicken bacon. I've been watching mukbangs lately and decided that I want to make mukbangs, because what better way to like spread awareness than to watch awareness? I mean spread happiness than to watch people eat food. This is good. And a little bit of pepperoni that adds like a little kick to it, so I'm like, yum. So I'm from New Zealand. I grew up in this town called Palmerston North. Another famous YouTuber that lives there, ShaneXO. I'm saying another like I'm famous, but I have 4 fucking subscribers. But 4 subscribers is more than no subscribers, am I right? I'm not even trying to say it. I grew up in Palmerston North and I went to school there, and then high school was really average. Well, it was actually really good. Like I missed high school. Like when you're in the moment you hate it, and when you leave you're like, wow, life was easy then. But now I'm in Dunedin studying and it's good. I like it. It's real fun. Not really. Like it's okay. I'm making it better. I'm doing my bit to make myself happier. Not gonna lie, I did just sign up to like a holistic wellness like program where I get like a wellness coach, and I'm not meant to be eating shit food, but I thought, you know what, one day won't matter. But I'm kind of planning on doing this a lot, so like maybe I should make them like healthy ones, like Pita Pit, Subway, raw food mukbang. Let me move on to a different type of food because this is boring without me eating. I'm gonna have some more of this ranch sauce. And I still hate it. Why do I do that? What happened today? I'm out for lunch today. Oh, it's a really nice like BLT sandwich and I want it again. Do you know what the biggest problem is? That I love the idea of like fatty foods, but like when it comes to, I get quite scared because I'm like, this is all going into me. My second pizza, I got 2 because I'm fat. No, I'm kidding. This is like, I'm not gonna eat all of it. But my second pizza is a double bacon cheeseburger. I never used to like ground beef, and then I had this pizza. And now I love ground beef. It sounds so rank, ground beef. Ooh. No, but this was like, when I was like growing up, my parents would go out for the night, and I'd be like, okay, like we're ordering Domino's, do you guys what do you want? And I'd always be like, oh, I'll have a Hawaiian, because I'm the most basic bitch ever, or like bacon and ham and cheese, because I hated Hawaiian. And then this is like the one pizza that I always used to try to steal off my brothers, because they always used to get it, but I was never brave enough to buy it, because I was like, not that I was even buying it, but like, I don't know how to eat a whole one. Like I was like 12 and I used to be able to eat a whole pizza, imagine that. No, I could do that last year too. I mean, if I really put my mind to it, and really focused on it, I probably could. But that never happens. I wonder how much I can actually eat of this. Oh no! You know when you eat bacon? Like, this only probably happens to like not many people, but like you eat bacon and you get like the stringy like fat stuff, and it gets like caught in your teeth, and you're like, and you've got bacon on your teeth. It's not fun. But I feel like my voice is really annoying. I hope it satisfies you watching me eat really disgusting me, but that just like helps me to be, right? Am I right? I'm gonna be real bad at this YouTube thing. I said I'm gonna be real bad at this YouTube thing because I'm really bad at talking. Well no, I'm not bad at talking, I can fucking talk non-stop, mate. My mouth doesn't fucking shut up. Honestly, it's my biggest hassle. But I'm really bad at like making my sentence sound good. Because I speak really fast. Like really fast. And sometimes people just go, what'd you say? I'm sorry, I didn't even chicken back. I'm quite full. I didn't even eat my chicken salad. I mean, what am I kidding? I didn't even eat my first garlic bread, so joke's on me. Oh well. I need to make money first. I know when you like to bang them and then like the stuff goes down. Oh damn. And fuck that. Kind of can't afford to have a dog, to be real. Like, if we looked at it logistically, fucking a child, really. Oh, that sounded really bad. That sounded like I said I'm fucking a child. But like, I am a fucking child, really. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap that up. Who else loves this sound? No, sound is actual music to my ears. My parents always used to tell me off for it. Like if we went out to a restaurant, my parents would get real grumpy at me. Oh, if you really like this video and you want to see more, I don't know why you would, but if you do, because there's just like crazy people out there, you know. Don't forget to give the videos a big thumbs up and give me a subscription, give me a subscribe. Just subscribe. I don't even know how I can't say that because I'm trying, okay, and I just want to make this world a better place. That's cool. Okay. hopefully the next video will be like soon. I don't know. Will there be a next video? My next. Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ching, chang, wah, wah, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ching, ching, wah, wah, bang. Do you remember that like school disco? Okay, well, so off track. Okay, goodbye. Good night. It's night time. Well, I don't even know like what time it'll be when I post this, so fuck knows. But goodbye and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.